when I walked in the door, there was 6 different logos that I could see because they had all these guys come in. They paid them a couple $100 and they would design a brand new logo for them. And I'm like, these all need to go. You need to pick one and brand it because
Yep.
you've got a branding disaster in this place right now. So we did a whole new logo for them and went from there. So, but that's important because I walked in, I literally was looking at all these different things. They had handouts, they had sheets they could give to, the customers that came in. They all had different stuff on them. It was ridiculous.
Mm.
So we got it all under control and, it was much better when it was all said and done.
One message. Give one message out.
Yeah.
That's the best advice we probably give is give one message out. Whatever that message is at that time, don't confuse people because like Andy said, they get confused. They won't continue. They'll move on. They don't know what you do. They'll move on. So one message on your product, on your handouts. Just give one message out there for sure. And then after you got all of that, the most important thing you can do once you get all that and these people have decided to buy from you is customer experience. So you want to make the customer experience easy and they can do it. So like they're easy to buy. They're easy to get your products. They know where to get them. They know how to get them. You want their experience to be easy where they know where to find you. Like at the bottom of all our handouts, we have all of the stores that we deliver to, all the stores that we partner with that have our products in. That information is down at the bottom of that sheet. So people can go, oh, I can find you here. Oh, I shop there. Oh, where are you guys located at there? Oh, we're over here in this area. Oh, okay. I'll make sure I'll check for them next time. But you want to make it easy customer experience to find you as well. Where are you located? Where, if you got a storefront, because I get that question all the time, you got a storefront? No, but you can find us at these places. Where do you live? Okay, yep, we're at this place. If you're in this location, what part of town or whatever town we deliver to? Yep, we go there. And then they'll give you like ideas of like, hey, I'd shop over here. Have you guys been in there? No. Do you know the produce manager? Oh yeah, I talk to him all the time. His name is, and then you got a name. And then you go in and say, hey, your customer, Carol, sent me in. She said, you guys really should be using Microgreens. She shops here all the time. She would like to buy them. Oh yeah, I know Carol. Yeah. Okay. Let's look at your products. And then you've got a really easy conversation then. But you want to make that customer experience perfect in doing that. I'm sure you've done stuff like that in the past, Andy, or still do.
Yeah, literally our very first grocery store happened exactly that way to where we had a customer that was avoiding going to a certain store that was nearby us that had another microgreens grower in it already. And they came to our house and bought ours instead. And then they were like, you really need to get into this place. So I called them up. It was an easy sale. Sorry. Yeah. Number one, we had like at least 3 customers by that point had mentioned it, but this one guy was really hell bent on it. And so I actually talked to the produce manager and then I brought him some samples and then I had him call her, the produce manager, and say, my customer called the produce manager and was like, hey, his stuff is awesome. These are the ones you should carry. So he basically helped us get through the process, which was awesome. And then, I know I've talked about it on here before, but I don't remember, it was our 3rd or 4th grocery store we got into. It was because of our branding. Literally, they saw the website, they saw the branding, they saw the labels, they saw how professional everything looked. And that was what gave us the thumbs up because they had turned down every single microgreen grower prior to that, that had tried to get in there. So we're still the sole microgreen grower in that store just because of how nice our stuff looks and how good our branding is. So just some things to think about.